Alright, here we have a classic six-step algebra question. We're going to start off with the very first step, which is to multiply everything in front of the brackets times everything inside the brackets. It's called the distributive principle. So take the front number of each set of brackets and multiply it by both terms inside the brackets. So it's going to look like this. You bring down the 7, you go 3x times 2x, which is 6x squared. 3x times negative 1, which is negative 3x. And bring down the minus 17 equals, on the right-hand side of the equal sign, 8. Negative 3 times x, which is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 9, which is positive 7. And then bring down the 9. The next step is to collect the like terms. So I can join the 7 and the minus 17 together, and that'll leave me with 6x squared minus 3x minus 10. On the right-hand side is, I'm going to just leave the negative 3x's alone. And I'm going to combine the 8, 27, and the 9 to make positive 44. My next step is to start doing the actual algebra skills, which is to start eliminating things that I don't need or grouping things from one side to the other. If I add 3x's to a negative 3x's, that will eliminate it. And then if I do the exact same thing to the other side, which is one of the rules of algebra, you must do the same thing to both sides, it'll actually eliminate that one as well. That'll leave me with 6x squared minus 10 is equal to 44. My next step is to try to get rid of this minus 10 away from the x. So I'm going to do that, add 10 to both sides. That'll leave me with 6x squared is equal to 54. Now I'm nearly finished. I just need to get rid of the 6. And how do I do that? Well, it says to multiply by x squared, so I'm going to do the opposite instead and divide by 6. That'll eliminate the 6's, and that'll leave me with x squared equals 54 divided by 6, which happens to be 9. My last step is to simply take the square root of x squared, which is x, and also take the square root of 9, which happens to be a perfect whole number of 3. So as you can see, in 6 simple steps, we've come up with the answer of x equals